Here's how income tax works in Australia. First, add up your income, salary, side jobs, investments, and capital gains. Subtract deductions, work expenses, accountant fees, union dues, donations. What's left is your taxable income. Tax is charged in brackets. The more you earn, the higher the rate. For 2025, first $18,200, no tax. Next up to $45,000, 16%. Up to $135,000, 30%. Up to $190,000, 37%. Over that, 45%. Example: if you earn $60,000, you pay about $8,800 in tax before offsets. Most people also pay a 2% Medicare levy. High earners without private health cover may pay a surcharge. Tax offsets can reduce your bill, like the low income or seniors offset. So income minus deductions, tax on taxable income plus Medicare minus offsets. That's your tax. If you're unsure, ask a reliable accountant on 1300049534. Thanks for watching. We're committed to providing you with clear, up-to-date tax information. For more valuable insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel.